Alright, so welcome to a tutorial video, and pretty much I'm going to show you how to run FL Studio on Linux or Manjaro Linux or any Arch base that uses similar packages to Manjaro, which I'm using. So if I go to terminal here, neo fetch. As you can see here, we're running Package Manager, Flatpak, and Snap, but we're going to be using Package Manager here just for this one command that we need. Basically, we need to install Wine, and if you don't know what Wine is, it's basically a compatibility layer to run Windows programs on Linux, which is such a handy tool to have if you're running a Linux-based machine like I am now. And basically all we need to do is just sudo pacman-sy wine. Enter your password. Press Y. And that's literally it. But as you can see, I've already got wine, so I really had no need to do that. But yeah, now that's basically done. What we can do is grab our installer right here and double click it. And wine is immediately going to kick in, and the installer's here. So obviously, yes, I agree, all users. Obviously, configure it how you want to configure it. Next, next, next. And then you can go ahead with the installer. Now, obviously, I've already done my install, so I don't really need to go through this again. So I'm just going to close off this install. Now, basically, once you've done your install, you want to try and do your first boot by doing sudo wine fl.exe. Oh, that's fine for me. Now, if you get this error that says shell execute x failed file not found right here, that is absolutely normal. What you can basically do is go to your file manager. Make sure you can see all your hidden folders like I can. Go to your .wine folder, go to your C drive, go to program files, and then you should find a folder that's called image line. Go in here, FL Studio 20, and as you can see, you've got fl.exe, 64.exe, scaled, FL scaled. Now what we want to do is create a link to the desktop. So here's the link to FL64. Now, if we double click this link, as you can see, FL Studio has fired straight up and is just working. And look, as you can see, all of my stuff from Windows has basically been imported. So yeah, that's basically it. That is how you run FL Studio on Wine.